And this is probably the biggest, most grossiest part of all of the stuff. Like, let me try to show you. There's a lot of nasty grease inside here, and basically the idea is the same. Like, we grab our vinegar cleaner and make sure that we spray all in the inside, let it soak for a minute or two, then grab the same microfiber towel and do the cleaning. Sometimes it's easier here to also use just some toothbrush if you have one, like old, or you can purchase one exactly for the same reason, just to clean and brush all sort of nasty stuff. Because as you can see, like with the microfiber itself, it might be a little bit tricky to get inside all of the places, but nevertheless we're doing like amazing job, and this stuff is going to be much cleaner than it was before. See, it has some pieces of cloth sitting here, so just make sure to get all of that stuff out. Also, don't forget, of course, to clean like the outside, which closes the doors, that also tend to have some dirt on it. And just like before, finish with the dry microfiber towel for the best result.